Good afternoon and welcome. My name is Sussex Sandra and welcome to my channel. This afternoon I am doing another unboxing, and the unboxing I am doing today is from GlossyBox. So for those of you who don't know, GlossyBox is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus £3.25. I think it is postage and packaging. So it's one of the cheaper beauty boxes each month. The box has a mixture of beauty, hair, skincare, makeup, hair products. I'd say that basically covers the items in there. The items will sometimes be full size or it will be a travel size sample. They do a range of products of old favourites, brands that we know of, and it might also have the odd new brand that we may not have heard of before. This month's box is the standard box, which is this lovely salmon pink colour, because sometimes they do theme boxes. I'm just going back, just remembering the Christmas box they did, which is a lovely red and gold box. They did the Halloween box with the treat and tricks. So they do have great theme boxes throughout the year. I know one of the products in there because we got the sneak peek last month, and it's a product I have used before from Avanti, which is a beautiful brand. I got a trial size of an Avanti serum in one of my beauty boxes last year, and I went on to buy the full size of the brand. I think the full size costs about £60. It's not a cheap brand, but I bought it from a site called Brand Alley, which is something to look out for. I should let you know. It's a site called Brand Alley, and with Brand Alley, they have things come up for, like, say 2-3 days, and they'll be ridiculously reduced. So that moisturiser, that serum which I purchased, the full price was £60. I absolutely loved it, and it came down to something like £20. So I snapped that up. You know I did. Right, so let's have a look and see what we've got inside here, because they are promising that the product this month is worth £98. So don't forget, this box is £13 in total. So we always get a card, and the card will have the details of the products, and it will also give you details of the sneak peek for next month, but I'll go into that later. Let's have a look. So I think what I'll do first, I'll go with a sneak peek, because that's what we're kind of expecting. So yeah, that's the familiar tubing. This is it. So the products always come in this kind of black style tubing. It's black and white is their main colours. And it is the Avant Shea Butter Hyaluronic Vitamin B3 Seawater Sweet Almond. Oh, lovely. It's a deluxe hyaluronic acid vivifying face and eye night cream. This sounds fantastic, it really does. And this is worth £98. Right, so let's have a quick look, see what it says about it here. Okay, so this is the product of the month. They're saying all those late December nights call for a skincare saviour, and we've got the perfect solution. This delightful full-size anti-aging moisturiser is formulated with the deeply hydrating wonder ingredient hyaluronic acid, and that is like the product of last year. Okay, it will rejuvenate tired eyes, promote an even skin tone, and minimise the appearance of fine lines and pesky pores. It also has a gorgeous fresh scent and instantly smooths your skin without adding shine. Ooh, that sounds definitely down my street. Right, let's have a look. Right, nice protective seal. If I don't see a protective seal, I think that the product is an old product, or it's been returned, or or it's just a used product. Okay. Alright, it's got a very nice fresh scent, and it feels very moisturising, but it's actually quickly absorbed. When you saw how quickly that went into my skin, that disappeared instantly into my skin. So that's going right by my bedside, because I'll probably use that product for the next month, so I can give it a good test. So that's the first item, so very pleased about that. And that's your value of your box. I mean, the box is, as I said, £13, and we get a £98 product in there. So everything else in there can cost nothing, and you still got your value. Right, let's go through the rest of the box now. Happy New Year, Glossies. Out with the old and in with the new. We know you've heard it all before, but we're here to help you make some serious #beauty goals that we can all stick to. Yeah. I haven't even bothered with any resolutions this year, because I don't stick to any of mine. There's no point in even trying. Right, so we're kicking off the new year with an edit of products that will make keeping your beauty resolutions easy. Okay. From a hydrating hair treatment to a luxurious moisturiser and discovering new beauty tools, our January picks will help you to start a fabulous new chapter in your beauty journey. No more broken promises for us. Find out what beauty resolutions we'll be sticking to in this 2019, and that's from Lydia Woodward, who's the beauty editor for GlossyBox. I almost said booty, Latin American, because they say booty. Right, let's go through this. Oh, this has got a bit of weight to it. There's plenty of products in here. So we've got this here. So we have here a right, so hair mask, repairing deep conditioning treatment. Yes, because you know I love a good hair conditioning treatment. I will use hair mask. I will use a hair mask each week. I like that. So that's one of their resolutions. I will do this. So it's like a little mantra you could give to yourself. I will use a hair mask this week. Okay, sorry. Where are we? Alright, the lighting's disappearing, so I need to hurry up here. These deeply nourishing treatments infused with argan oil, keratin protein, Kalahari melon oil, or bamboo extracts will repair, soften, smooth and strengthen your hair. The clever formulas infuse your hair cuticles with hydration for nourished shiny tresses. Simply massage a generous amount into your hair, focus on damaged areas, relax for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse out. So the recommended retail price is £2.49 for one mask. Okay, and you can buy it from masquebeauty.com. There's actually quite a lot inside here, so I think even if you've got long hair, I think you've got enough in there for someone who's got really long hair. But I think, you know, people with like short hair and short afro hair like mine, I think you can get a good 2 treatments at least out of this. Yeah, so I'm quite looking forward to using that. That looks good. Yeah, looking forward to using that, so that's good. Right, next we have this. Don't know what that is. Let's have a look. So we've got something from, what's it called? 417 Facial Micro Loofah Foaming Gel. Okay, God, I've got so many facial gels to get through. Oh my God. Right, at the moment I'm using the Amora Vicha, which I got in one of my advent calendars. I think I got it in my Look Fantastic advent calendar, and it's the Mud More, or the More Mud Mask, and I'm loving it, absolutely loving that. Right, so let's have a look. So add this refreshing foaming gel cleanser into your beauty regimen. Simply work the gel into damp skin in circular motions to gently exfoliate and remove your makeup. Formulated with minerals from the Dead Sea, typical of 417 products, rare plant extracts and vitamins, its invigorating formula will leave your skin feeling clean, soft and fresh. Recommended retail price for the mini, which is this, is £13.31. This is 100 mils. The full size is 200 mils and it's worth £22.71. And you can buy it from, is it -417.com? Okay, so that's alright, isn't it? So this is worth the price of the box, basically, this product here. So that's cool. I will get around to using it, but I can't see me using it for a few months yet because I've got a few things that I really want to get through and use. Oh God, this looks like another... I'm gonna scream! Bloody dry shampoos! There's another one! Right, this is the sort of cheaper end of the market. So it's a dry shampoo from Batiste, sorry. It's a dry shampoo and damage control for weak or damaged hair. Yeah, there you go. I haven't got anything to say about these. I don't use them, I don't like them, so this will be going into a giveaway. Let's see what it says about it here. I mean, I'm sure everybody knows what a dry shampoo is, don't they? Don't you? Right, so Batiste. Right, so rethink dry shampoo. I will try a brand new hair care range. Yeah, it won't be me in this one. I'm trying dry shampoos, but I'm not trying this one. Right, is your hair feeling weak, damaged, frizzy, dry or flat? Say hello to these new dry shampoos infused with strengthening keratin, smoothing coconut, moisturising avocado or plumping collagen. They'll refresh, repair, soften, hydrate and revive your tresses, leaving your hair feeling clean and fabulous. What's more, the spray is invisible and feels lightweight on your hair. What more could you want from a dry shampoo? So this deluxe mini, which is 50 ml, is worth £1.50, and the full size is 200 ml and it's worth £4.25. And it seems like you can get 1 of 4 different types of dry shampoo according to this card, and you can buy it from battyshair.co.uk, but I think you can also get it from Boots and Superdrug and places like that. Oh, this is good. Oh wow, perfect, because I was saying the other day my eyebrows need doing. Perfect. Right, this is the product. I don't know how many of you guys use these. I know that a lot of sort of like Afro-Caribbean women in the UK, I don't know about in America, I know in the Caribbean they definitely use these. They use razor blades and stuff to shape and define eyebrows, and these kind of eyebrow razor blades in this format you can get in lots of the hair shops in London, and I'm sure a lot of places, other major cities around the country. They normally cost, so I don't know, about 50p, 75p each, and I've got loads inside my bathroom. I bought a set from QVC recently, beginning of last year, from a brand called, I think it's called Lilybeth or something like that. Really long lasting, the blade has stayed sharp, and that's what I use to actually just shape my eyebrows. So none of this threading nonsense or waxing, none of that nonsense. I use these and you'll get a really good defined shape with these things. So this one is from, oh, so Wilkinson Sword are getting in the game. See, they're catching on to the trend here, only a few years late. And it's from Wilkinson Sword. It's a beauty eyebrow shaper, and they've got the seals in them. I wonder how much they're selling these for, because as I said, I got the set from QVC. I think it cost about £10 from QVC. You can get it from these little shops on the high streets in places like Peckham, Harlesden, you know, Lewisham, all those kind of places, Brixton, for 50p, 75p. Let's see how much they're selling it for here. Right, Wilkinson Sword. Right, what we got here? Beauty eyebrow shaper. I will try a new beauty tool to shake up my beauty routine. Okay, this must-have beauty tool can be used to shape brows and to gently remove fine hairs from your face. It comes with a protective cap for on-the-go use, as well as a precision cap for precise eyebrow shaping. Cleanse first, hold your skin taut, then gently glide the razor in the direction of hair growth. Recommended retail price £3.99. £3.99. Actually, it's not bad. £3.99. And you can buy it from wilkinsonsword.co.uk/women. I bet you could get these in supermarkets and any of those high street chemistry kind of stores. But yeah, that's nice to see inside a beauty box actually. I think these are tools that everyone should have in their arsenal. Really are just basic tools like tweezers and clippers. This is a basic tool everyone should have. So yeah, cool. My eyebrows need doing. They actually desperately need doing. So, but I won't open this one yet because I've got the other ones on the use at the moment. Right, I'm gonna do the sneak peek now. So if you don't want to know what next month's sneak peek is, I'll say goodbye now. Off you go. Doodaloo. Right, so February sneak peek, which is a Valentine box, isn't it? It's the month of love. So give me some barrow right anytime. Anyway, right, so February sneak peek is we're getting flirty this February with this fabulous lip contour pencil worth £16 from Huda Beauty. Okay, we're bringing you 2 romantic shades, Flirt and Venus. Which will you receive? Oh, I hope I receive Flirt because I've got the flirty lipstick colour, and the Flirt will go with that as a lip liner, so I hope, cross fingers, that I get Flirt. And I think Venus is the more red colour. I think Venus is the more bright red and Flirt is the more deep purple. So there you go. That was a good glossy box this month actually. I liked this box, a lot. Really pleased with this because that to me is a basic tool which every woman should have in her arsenal. You can use it to get rid of any fine sort of peach fuzz hairs on your face, but I personally don't like using it for that. Because I just think the hairs grow back thicker and coarser, so I don't know, I'm not so certain about using it on your face, but definitely for your eyebrows. So great product. facial foaming gel, all good. I'm in no rush to use it because I've got a lot to go through at the moment. Hair mask, yeah, I will definitely be using that. Either myself or my daughter, but we'll probably both use it. I think we'll both be able to use this pouch, so I'm looking forward to using that. So I love a deep conditioner. Deep cleansing mask, well, you know, I'm not too fussed about that, so that's going to be going in a giveaway. And this product of the month, night product, night cream. So can't wait to use that. That's already on my bedside. All good. Right, so that's the GlossyBox this month. What did you think? Have you received yours? Are you happy with it? I am. I'm happy with that box. GlossyBox are good. They don't kind of let you down at all. They're just consistently a decent standard every month, and it's well worth the money. I have got a referral code down below, so I will try to remember to put that link down below if you want to get the box. And I think you get, I don't know, I think you get £5 off your first box. I never know. You do get a discount off your first box. And what I will get, I get credit, which I can build up and then I can use to buy products from Look Fantastic. Well, it's good because I do buy a lot from Look Fantastic. So you can always do that. So up to you, of course. But yeah, I think this is a great box to get. I really do. If you're looking at getting a subscription box this year and you're not quite sure which one to go for, I would suggest going for this one or the Look Fantastic box. I'm not sure what's happening with Pink Parcel at the moment, so I'd say stay away from that until we all know what's happening with that. Birchbox can be a little bit iffy because some of the products are so itty bitty. But they do have some great innovative products in there. But if you want to spend sort of £10 to £13, look, if you want to spend £10 to £13 and you just want to try it out, I would go with the GlossyBox first of all. Give that a go. Sign up for either month to month or 3 months or whatever, and then see how you get along with it. So that's the box I would recommend if you just want to start out on a beauty box subscription. Right, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please show your appreciation by giving me a like down below, and if you haven't done so already, come on, I've given you all this gloriousness, I can't even say it. Yeah, I've given you all of this today. What you're going to do is subscribe down below, so press that little red button down below, and whilst you're at it, you might as well press the little bell, because then that will notify you when I do my next upload. And before I forget, I have still got a giveaway going at the moment, and it's for 1,550 subscribers. I believe I am very close to it. I think the last time I looked, I was on 1,530. So once you need to be subscribed to my channel, you need to follow me, and you put your comment on that video. All right, I'm gonna leave care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.